Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Highlander vs Toyota Fortuner full comparison. Follow these steps to evaluate which SUV fits your life based on seating, ride height, drivetrain, and features. I will walk through engine feel, MPG expectations, and interior layout so you can weigh comfort against capability. Listen for practical trade-offs like cargo versus third-row space, city versus off-road priorities, and which model gives the best value for your driving style. Let's dig into performance and handling so you know what to expect on road and trail. I'll describe engine choices, torque delivery, and how each SUV feels under acceleration and during towing. We'll cover suspension tuning, body roll, braking confidence, and steering feedback for daily driving and long trips. By the end, you'll understand which model prioritizes comfort over sportiness and which one keeps composure when the road gets rough. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and hit like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: make meal prep simple with leak-proof containers that keep lunches tidy during road trips and weekend adventures, and they pair perfectly with family SUV life. They stack neatly and save time on busy mornings, so check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll explore interiors, focusing on space, materials, and usability for families. I'll point out cargo volumes, third-row comfort, and how easy it is to fold seats or install child seats. Expect a rundown of infotainment, connectivity, and driver assists that matter in daily use. I'll also mention storage cubbies, roof height, and visibility so you can picture daily routines and long trips with passengers or gear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.